Hi people, today we're going to make teaching some definition of functions, like, well, not exactly definition of functions, but perhaps how I do this project. So, well, we can start. So first we are going to define the function as fetches as dias with the parameters of annual, mes, and dia. They are integers and they will return me an integer. So basically we're going to transform a date with the year, the month, and the day with the total number of the days with these parameters that I said early on. And we were to return an integer with the number of the days from the year 0 to the date that we put in the program. So, well, we're going to transform this, multiplying the year by 360, and later on we are going to multiply the month by the 30, and later on we're going to make this an equation, like people are going to put the day and the month and later on the year, and when people put that, this function will calculate with the number of days, because this will transform dates like I don't know, 12 February of 2007 in days. Well, so later on we got the difference of dates. We got like the year 2 and the year 1, the month 2 and the month 1, the day 2 and the day 1. Basically we're going to make a difference, making this equation. So basically we're going to use the first function like we see early on with the year 2, month 2 and the day 2, and we are with the with the date 1, with the year 1, month 1, and later on we're going to make this equation to know the difference between the actual year with the transforming days with the born date, like I don't know, 2007 of 12 February. An example for me is my born date. So basically we'd make this equation and they will return me the total numbers of days of the difference between, like, I don't know, 2 dates, and they will return me an integer perhaps. And I want to calculate the ages. We put like the same thing, but like actual day, actual year, actual month, and born year, born month, born like date, and basically it got like the same parameters, but like I don't know, year 2, month 2, day 2, but they're like actual month, born year, born month, and they will then return me a string. Why? Because this will return me this, a string, because people need to know like what, like I don't know, what are his years, what are his months, what are his days, because if you only like put the years, the months and the days, it will be like only numbers and it will be very random. So I put an f string, like to know people how many years they have, how many months they have, and how many days they have. So basically we make total days. We calculate the difference between the actual years, the month, the actual month, the actual day, and the born year, blah, yada yada yada. And well, later on, to calculate the years, we basically took this and make like an integer division between 260, and later on we like calculate the module or the rest of this division with the total of days with the module with 360 to know the actual quantity of days. Later on, to calculate the months is like the same thing. We make an integer division with 30. Later on with the days, we make the module of the total of days with the module of 30. And we return this with the person have this quantity of years, this quantity of months, and this quantity of days. More or less, this is my explanation of this little project. And well, that's like all. Goodbye.